How many medical facilities are in Cococay? At the time of this recording, there are two first aid facilities on the island. One is located at Three Water Park, and the other one is on Chill Island. Medical facilities are indicated on wayfinding signs. You can also find it in different maps throughout the island. Usually, they are indicated by the universal white cross symbol. If for any reason you are slightly injured and you don't know where to go, there is usually a staff member very close to you that will be able to help you. Are there any lifeguards at Coco Cay? Royal Caribbean has partnered with Lifeguards, the leading provider in lifeguard services. There are lifeguards at every pool and every slide, as well as in recommended locations on the beach. These lifeguards are there for you. They will be able to help you, and most importantly, they will be able to rescue in case it's needed. However, it is recommended that you keep yourself at all times in safe locations, and most importantly, to keep an eye on children if you travel with any. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Please remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and to also follow us in social media, Free Jumping Bubbles. Thank you, that is highly appreciated.